Imagine stepping into a car that's over 70 years old, yet still turns heads like it just rolled off the showroom floor. A car where every curve, every chrome detail, and every inch of polished wood tells a story of American luxury and craftsmanship. This isn't just a station wagon, it's the 1951 DeSoto Sportsman, a rare gem that defined elegance in the golden age of automobiles. Today we're taking you inside, under the hood, and behind the wheel of a classic that collectors dream about and enthusiasts worship. Buckle up, because this is more than a car, it's a rolling masterpiece. What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into a piece of American automotive history that oozes class, sophistication, and old-school charm, the 1951 DeSoto Sportsman. Now, if you're a collector, a car enthusiast, or someone who just appreciates the golden era of post-war American cars, you're in for a treat. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the bell icon, and join this community of automotive aficionados who live and breathe timeless machines. Trust me, you don't want to miss what we've got lined up today. Now, picture this, it's 1951. America is in a period of rapid growth. The highways are expanding, and families are looking for cars that combine utility with style. Enter the DeSoto Sportsman, Chrysler's answer to the post-war desire for elegance, versatility, and performance all rolled into one. The Sportsman was essentially the station wagon variant of DeSoto's top-of-the-line series, built to provide both utility and refinement, and it did not disappoint. From the moment you set eyes on it, the Sportsman's sophistication. The design of the 1951 DeSoto Sportsman is a masterclass in post-war American styling. Its body lines are smooth, sweeping, and distinctly American, with rounded fenders that flow seamlessly into the body. The front grille is bold yet refined, chrome accents glinting under the sun, and that classic bullet nose. Influence carried subtly through the styling cues commands attention without being ostentatious. Every curve, every panel, and every chrome trim piece was meticulously designed to create an aura of class and permanence. Unlike many modern cars, the 1951 DeSoto Sportsman isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a statement. Slide around to the side, and you'll notice the elongated roofline that hints at the wagon's functional heritage, perfect for families, weekend adventurers, or even collectors who love hauling their passion safely and in style. The wood-trim versions of the Sportsman are a rare treat, showcasing a level of craftsmanship that's almost artisanal. Imagine running your hand along those polished wood panels, feeling the care and precision that went into every joint and every finish. It's not just a car, it's a rolling piece of art. Step inside, and the DeSoto Sportsman transforms into a sanctuary of comfort and elegance. The interiors of 1951 models were built with luxury in mind. Plush seating, often in durable leather or fine cloth, invites you to sink in and enjoy the journey. The dashboard is functional yet stylish, with chrome accents around the gauges and knobs that make every interaction feel intentional and premium. Even the steering wheel commands respect, its design echoing the larger-than-life aesthetic of the car. You're not just driving a car, you're commanding a vessel of American ingenuity and style. Under the hood, the Sportsman doesn't just look impressive, it performs. With most 1951 DeSoto Sportsman wagons were equipped with a tutored 51 cubic inch inline 6 or a tutored 76 cubic inch Hemi V8, depending on the trim. This wasn't just about raw power, it was about smooth, reliable performance that made long drives a joy. The engine bay itself is a study in simplicity and engineering elegance, with accessible components and a layout that invites enthusiasts to tinker, maintain, and restore. Imagine the growl of that V8 as you roll down an open highway, the polished chrome reflecting sunlight, and the sense of pride knowing you're driving a car that has history embedded in every bolt. The ride quality of the 1951 DeSoto Sportsman is where classic American engineering shines. Its suspension was designed to handle families, luggage, and long journeys without compromising comfort. You glide over pavement, feeling just the right amount of connection to the road without being jostled or fatigued. In an era before modern electronic assists, this balance of comfort and control was an achievement in itself. It's one of those rare cars where every drive feels like an event, a chance to connect with the past in a tangible, visceral way. Now let's talk rarity and collector appeal. The 1951 DeSoto Sportsman wasn't produced in the numbers of mainstream sedans, making it a rare gem for classic car enthusiasts today. Station wagons of that era, especially ones that have survived in excellent condition, are highly sought after because they represent a slice of history that's practical, stylish, and historically significant. Restored examples, particularly those with original trim and interiors, fetch impressive prices at auctions and private sales. Owning a 1951 DeSoto Sportsman isn't just about having a car, it's about holding a piece of American culture, a reminder of a post-war era defined by optimism, design excellence, and engineering prowess. Restoration is another story entirely, and here's where the magic happens. Imagine walking into a garage or workshop and seeing a 1951 Sportsman that's been lovingly rotisserie restored, every panel aligned perfectly, every piece of chrome polished to a mirror finish, the paint glistening as though it just rolled off the assembly line over 70 years ago. Interiors restored with attention to original patterns and textures, wood panels treated to maintain their natural beauty, engine components refurbished to perform reliably for decades to come. Restoration isn't just work, it's love, devotion, and respect for history. And a car like this, it deserves nothing less than the utmost care. One of the most fascinating aspects of the DeSoto Sportsman is its cultural footprint. In 1951, owning a DeSoto meant you had arrived. It was a car for those who appreciated style, subtlety, and performance. Families relied on it for their daily commutes, weekend trips, and vacations, yet it never lost its aura of prestige. Over time, as the automotive landscape evolved, the DeSoto name faded, but the cars themselves became treasures, symbols of an era where design, elegance, and engineering were inseparable. From a cinematic perspective, the 1951 DeSoto Sportsman is a dream. Imagine a low-angle shot rolling alongside a sun-drenched coastal highway, chrome gleaming, reflections dancing across the curves of its body. A soft, focused background of palm trees, mountains, or classic diners adds a timeless feeling. The camera moves inside the cabin, capturing the texture of the leather seats, the shine of the chrome dashboard, and the carefully restored wood panels. Every frame tells a story, not just about a car, but about an era, a lifestyle, and a passion that continues to endure decades later. Collectors today prize these machines not only for their beauty, but also for their authenticity. Original paint matching numbers on engine and chassis, and well-preserved interiors can make a Sportsman a centerpiece of any collection. It's a car that invites admiration, conversation, and respect when you host it at a car show, when you drive it down the boulevard. It's more than transportation, it's history on wheels. Every detail, from the grille to the tailgate, tells a story of American craftsmanship at its finest. So whether you're a seasoned collector, a classic car enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates the finer things in life, the 1951 DeSoto Sportsman is a car that commands attention, inspires nostalgia, and delivers a driving experience that's rare in today's world. From its bold styling to its refined interior, from the growl of its engine to the smoothness of its ride, it is a complete package of luxury, performance, and history. It's a car that reminds us why we love automobiles, not just as machines, but as works of art, engineering marvels, and symbols of a time when the open road represented freedom, ambition, and adventure. If you've enjoyed this in-depth look at the 1951 DeSoto Sportsman, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future episodes where we explore more rare and luxurious classic cars. And if you're lucky enough to see one of these in person, take a moment to appreciate it fully. The curves, the craftsmanship, and the character that has endured for over 70 years. This is more than a car, it's a living piece of history, a testament to a golden era of American design, and a dream realized for every automotive enthusiast who has ever yearned for the perfect blend of style, function, and soul. Until next time, keep your wheels rolling, your engines purring, and your passion for classic cars alive. This has been a journey through one of the most iconic station wagons of the early 1950s, the 1951 DeSoto Sportsman. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more stories of automotive excellence that define an era, inspire collectors, and keep the love of classic cars alive for generations to come.